Here's a medical ventilator for emergency use, made from commonly available parts that you might find at Home Depot or Lowe's. Here's the shop vac. The output of the shop vac is providing the pressure to the patient. The pressure coming from the shop vac is controlled by a dimmer switch. Adjust the dimmer switch to get the proper pressure at the patient. The flow from the shop vac is connected to the ventilator via a fitting with a 3/8-inch hole in it to let out some air so the pressure is more steady at the patient. The flow to the patient is controlled by a Schnittger valve, which has been modified by the addition of a vacuum pump, which provides extra lift to open the valve with very low pressure drop. The flow from these valves is measured by two flow switches, which are modified swing check valves. The signal from the flow switches is measured on the oscilloscope. We also have an oxygen meter. As you can see right now, we're running straight air. But we'll go over here and turn on the oxygen. And you can see with each breath, we're going to get a pulse of oxygen into the patient. And if we go over here, we can see that the oxygen level is climbing above 95%. Here's the test line, going to between about 15 and 30 centimeters of water. And here's the software that's controlling the solenoid valve and measuring the breath. Operator can adjust the inhalation, exhalation ratio, and the respiratory rate.